Hello students, today I am going to discuss chapter 3 class 10 a pair of linear equation in two variables. Students, before discussing this chapter, this topic, I am just reminding you chapter 4 of class 9 introduction to a linear equation in two variables. Okay, so I am going to discuss a linear pair of a linear equation in two variables using a suitable example. So here, just look at here, a taxi fare in a city is as follows. Right, students? For the first kilometer, it is rupees 8, and for the subsequent kilometer, it is rupees 5. Okay, students, a taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer it is rupees 8, and for the subsequent kilometer it is rupees 5. Taking distance, total distance as x kilometer, and total fare as rupees y, represent this situation algebraically. Taking total distance as x kilometer and total fare as y, rupees y, represent this situation algebraically. Okay, students. So, students, a taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer is rupees 8, and total kilometer is x kilometer. Okay. So, first kilometer is rupees 8. So, what you write? According to problem, according to situation, we write 8 rupees. Means first kilometer it is rupees 8. This is the fixed charge, right? And for the subsequent kilometer, means after 1 kilometer, the person has to pay rupees 5 per kilometer. So how many kilometer it is traveled? The person traveled. How many kilometer the person traveled? X kilometer. ऑलरेडी 1 किलोमीटर जा चुका है, और वो उसके लिए कितना पेमेंट देना पड़ता है? पे करना पड़ता है रुपीज 8. तो मीन्स already 1 kilometer gone, and the person has paid rupees 8. Means that is the fixed charge for the first kilometer, and thereafter it is 5 rupees per kilometer. So it is now x minus 1 kilometer remains. Okay, कितना किलोमीटर बच गया? x minus 1 किलोमीटर. टोटल किलोमीटर दिया गया बुक सिचुएशन में, क्वेश्चन में x किलोमीटर. ऑलरेडी 1 किलोमीटर जा चुका है. So और कितना रिमेनिंग किलोमीटर इज x minus 1, and how much in each subsequent kilometer? It is rupees 5. So we multiply rupees 5, and total pay, how much the person has to pay? Rupees y. Okay, so now simplifying it, it is 8 plus 5x minus 5 is equal to y. That means 5x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. So students, this is a what? This is a linear equation in two variables, so where x and y are the what here? Variables. Okay, and 5 here x and y are variables, and their coefficients, and 5 minus 1 and 3 are real numbers, and 5 square plus minus 1 square, that is equal to 25 plus 1 is equal to 26, never be equal to 0, ये 0 के साथ इक्वल नहीं है. Okay, and what is the geometrical meaning of this line? It is a straight line. Just look at here. I am drawing the graph of the equation. Okay, x and y. Suppose I am taking x is equal to what here? 0. So y is equal to 3. For x 0, minus y equal to minus 3, y equal to 3. Okay, then what you take as, if I take y is 0, then it is a fraction. Then again I am writing here, suppose I am taking here y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8, right? If I am taking y is equal to 8, it is minus 8 plus 3. So minus 5, so x is equal to 1. Okay, x is equal to what here? 1. Okay, students. So using these 2 points, so the points are 0, 3 and 1, 8. So using the points, I am now drawing the graph of this linear equation in 2 variables, y o y dash. This is the horizontal axis and this is the vertical axis. So it is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Then it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Right, students? So it is 0, 3. This is 0, 3. This point 0, 3 and 1, 8. x1, y8. Okay? This is 1, 8. This is 0, 3 and this is 1, 8. Joining these 2 points. Join these 2 points. What do you get? We get a straight line. This is the 5x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. Again, students, I am repeating the same things. Our actually topic is a pair of linear equation in 2 variables. So before going through this topic, I am just reminding you a linear equation in 2 variables which already learned in chapter 4, class 9. Okay, and already I have given a situation here. A taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, it is rupees 8, and for the subsequent kilometer, it is rupees 5. So taking the total distance as x kilometer and total fare as y kilometer, y rupees, represent this situation algebraically. Okay. So already I understood, I already explained before you that for the first kilometer, the fixed charge is rupees 8. Then after first kilometer, how many remains kilometers are there? X minus 1. And per kilometer for the subsequent kilometer, that means after 1 kilometer, it is rupees 5 per kilometer. So 5 multiply x minus y, and total fare is given by the person is rupees y. So what do, after solving it, we get 5x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. So this is a linear equation in 2 variables where x and y are the variables. 5 minus 1 plus 3 are the real numbers, and the coefficient of x and y are 5 and minus 1, so 5 square plus minus 1 square. It is 26 is never equal to 0. Okay, so this is the, and what you get after drawing this equation 5x minus y plus 3 equal to 0, graphically we draw a what? Straight line. That means the geometrical meaning of a linear equation in 2 variable is a straight line. And a straight line contains infinite points, so that it has infinite solutions. It has infinite solutions. That means a linear equation in 2 variable has infinite many solutions. So what is the general form? Means standard form. General form of this equation is what? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then a, b, c, where a, b and c are real numbers, students, and a square plus b square never be equal to 0. So this is the conditions. A, B, C are real numbers, a square plus b square is not equal to 0. And the standard form of the linear equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, and its geometrical meaning is a what here? A straight line. Okay, and solution, as you know that straight line contains infinite points, so it has infinite many solutions. Infinite many solutions, right? So this is regarding a linear equation in two variables. Okay, students. Then actually this is only one straight line. The geometrical meaning is what? A only straight line, and it has infinite many solution, and it is concluded. After that, this finish. But if we have two such we have such two lines, then what will conclude? If you have such two lines, this is a one line, that means one linear equation represent a straight line. If there are two straight line, then what about them? Either they intersect with each other, or they parallel with each other, or they coincident with each other. These solutions, okay, we get. So that now I am going to express you a pair of linear equation in two variables. This is only a linear equation, and one linear equation gives a straight line and it has infinite many solutions. ऐसे यदि और एक स्ट्रेट लाइन होता हमारे पास, तो हमारा क्या होगा? दो लाइन एक दूसरे के साथ इंटरसेक्ट भी हो सकते हैं, दोनों लाइन एक दूसरे के साथ पैरेलल भी हो सकते हैं, और दोनों लाइन एक दूसरे के साथ एक भी हो सकते हैं. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? कोइंसिडेंट हो सकते हैं. ओके, सो इसीलिए अब हमें क्या करेंगे? ए लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स के ऊपर नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू राइट ए पेयर ऑफ लिनियर इक्वेशन. ए पेयर, आई एम राइटिंग हियर ए पेयर ऑफ लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स, जिसके द्वारा हमें पता चल जाएगा सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा. क्योंकि एक ही स्ट्रेट लाइन गिव्स यू ए लिनियर इक्वेशन गिव्स ए स्ट्रेट लाइन एंड इट हैज इनफिनिट मेनी सॉल्यूशन. इसमें कंक्लूजन खत्म है, आगे हमें प्रोसीड नहीं कर सकते. यदि हमें दो इक्वेशन ऐसे ही मिले हमें, तो हमारे पास दो स्ट्रेट लाइन भी होगा, तो दोनों स्ट्रेट लाइन के बीच में वो दोनों इंटरसेक्ट भी हो सकते हैं, एक दूसरे के साथ पैरेलल भी हो सकते हैं, और क्या हो सकते हैं? एक दूसरे के कोइंसिडेंट हो सकते हैं. तो इसीलिए हमें अब पढ़ रहेंगे ए पेयर ऑफ लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, जस्ट ए मिनट. स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे कि मैंने आपको ए लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स के बारे में बताया था, एक सिचुएशन के द्वारा, और उसका स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म, और उसका ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन, और उसका सॉल्यूशन के बारे में बताया था. इसी प्रकार का now I am going to explain you a pair of linear equation in two variables by the means of a situation. So just I am writing a situation. 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. Okay, the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. So represent this situation algebraically. And graphically. right? So 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. The number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. So here are the two characters. One is a girl, another is a boy, and total students is 10. In 10 students, there are some girls and some boys also, right, students? So what to write? I am writing here, let taking number of girls as x and the number of boys as y. Let total number of girls equal to x took part in the quiz. Took part in the quiz equal to x, and total number of boys took part in the quiz is y. Okay, students, here we go through two characters, one is the girls and another is the boys, and the total students is 10. So that implies positively in this situation there are some boys and also some girls. But another thing is given that the number of girls is 4 more than the boys. So students, so I am writing here, according to the situation, x plus y is equal to 10, because x is the number of girls, y is the number of boys, and total students taken part in the quiz is 10. So positively x plus y is equal to 10. So what you get? X plus y minus 10 equal to 0. Okay, this is a linear equation in two variables, that is equation 1, जो हमें 9th क्लास में ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं और कुछ देर पहले मैंने आपको समझाया था. Now second, and also the number of girls is means equal to, that means what? Equal to. So the number of girls means we write here x. How many girls taken part in the quiz? X equal to 4 more than the number of boys. Yani 4 more means plus, the number of boys means y we take. So that implies x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. So here students, x plus y minus 10 equal to 0, x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. There are pair of linear equations. There are what? Pair of linear equations. So what do you now discuss here? A pair of linear equation in two variables, where x and y are the variables. So here x, y and y are the variables, okay, and the coefficient of x is what? 1, y coefficient is 1. Then in second equation the coefficients are what? Also 1, and in coefficient of y in equation 2 is minus 1, and also minus 10 and minus 4 are what? Real numbers. They are what? Real numbers, right? And also x का coefficient 1 का square in equation 1, y का coefficient 1 का square 1, so it is 2 square, 2, 1 square 1 square, 1 plus 1 2 is not equal to 0. And also second equation coefficient of x is 1 square and it is minus 1 का square, it is also 2 is not equal to 0. Okay, इनमें से हमें मिला. So यदि हम इसको क्या करेंगे, जनरली हमें इसको लिखेंगे जनरल फॉर्म में, तो कैसे होगा? जनरल फॉर्म और इसे स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. How we write here? There are two equations, two linear equations, so that is why we said it as a pair of linear equation. So we say that a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to what? 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, known as a pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, and each represents a straight line. The geometrical meaning of each equation is a straight line, and here there are two straight lines, and using these two straight lines we have three types of what solutions we get. Okay, so we are now I am going to discuss here everything else. So here is the what a pair of linear equation in what two variables, and what are the conditions to be a pair of linear equation two variables? The conditions are a1 b1 a2 b2 c1 and c2 are real numbers. क्या होना चाहिए? ये सारे real numbers होना चाहिए, and also a1 square plus b1 square never be 0, a2 square plus b2 square never be equal to 0. So these are the conditions. Okay, ये condition satisfy होना चाहिए. So this is the general form or standard form, a pair of linear equation in two variable students, right? And what is your geometrical meanings? A pair of straight line. Geometrical meaning is what? A pair of straight line. A pair of straight lines. क्या मिल रहा है? दो स्ट्रेट लाइन्स मिलता है. ओके, जैसे हमारे पास ए पेयर मिल चुका है. ओके, इस प्रकार का मैंने इसको भी सॉल्व कर रहा हूं, देखते हैं क्या बनेगा. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द इंट्रोडक्शन टू a pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay students, so ये इक्वेशन थे कि हमारा रहा, फिर और टू पेयर्स इक्वेशंस हम बनाएंगे, देखते हैं क्या होगा. सो ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो जस्ट ए मिनट. So students, these are the pair of linear equation in two variables, and the geometrical meaning is a pair of straight line. So according to you and also me, what you conclude here, that these two straight lines may be intersect with each other. एक दूसरे के साथ वो क्या कर सकते हैं? इंटरसेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं. intersect with each other. Intersect with each other. Okay, and they may be parallel with each other. एक दूसरे के साथ क्या हो सकते हैं? पैरेलल भी हो सकते हैं. and they also coincident, means दो लाइन एक ही हो सकते हैं. they also coincident, here coincident we said, incident, right? So that means here is a common point in this graph. We not now conclude now, just we assume that a pair of straight lines are there. These two lines, these two equations represent two straight lines. That means we just imagine that they may be intersect with each other, they parallel with each other, or they coincident. I am now going to prove it, how it is possible. Okay, so यहाँ पर जो intersect कर रहे हैं, तो यानी x and y का वैल्यू क्या होता है? एक होता है, that is common for both the equations. Here there is no common region, common point here, so they are parallel. Yeah, that means it has no solution. इस केस में कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं होगा. यहाँ पर एक यूनिक सोल्यूशन होगा जो हमें अभी अज्यूम कर रहे हैं, और जो अभी मैं थर्ड में बता रहा हूँ, दोनों स्ट्रेट लाइन एक हो रहे हैं, तो कोइंसिडेंट, तो यहाँ पर कॉमन पॉइंट मोर देन वन. सो व्हाट यू राइट? इनफाइनाइट मेनी सॉल्यूशंस. तो ये तीनों के बारे में मैं अभी आपको प्रूव करा रहा हूँ बाय द मीन्स ऑफ सम एग्जांपल्स. ऑलरेडी वन एग्जांपल्स में बता रखा हूँ. 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. The number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. Represent this situation algebraically or graphically. अब मैं बता रहा हूँ आप लोगों को. Okay, just a minute students, wait. अब हम इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. x plus y minus 10 equal to 0, x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. This is one equation or equation 2. Okay बच्चों, just a minute. Okay students, this is the part 1, and in the part 2 I will prove you through some examples that how the solution of a pair of linear equation has what unique solution, that means they intersect with each other at a point, and here the solution is parallel and here is coincident. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर पार्ट 2 में मैंने आपको कैसे हुआ ये इंटरसेक्ट विथ ईच अदर, पैरेलल और कोइंसिडेंट, ये सॉल्यूशंस की रिगार्डिंग डिस्कस करूंगा. ओके, थैंक यू.